Hey, I am Aora. Every founder we talk to is asking some version of the same question. Do I actually need an AI agent, or is this just the next word getting thrown around in pitch decks? Today, we're cutting through that noise, no fluff, just what an AI agent really is, and how to think about it as someone building or running a company. Here's what we'll walk through: what an AI agent actually is, how it's different from agentic AI, why 2026 is the year this stopped being optional, what it looks like inside a real business, the mistakes founders keep making, and a simple way to check if you're ready to build one. At its core, an AI agent is software that can perceive a situation, decide what to do about it, take action using tools or systems, and check whether that action actually worked, largely without a human approving every step. A chatbot answers you. A script follows a fixed path. An agent holds a goal, breaks it into steps, and adjusts when things don't go as planned. People use these two terms interchangeably, and that's fine in casual conversation, but they mean different things. An AI agent is a single system built for one job, like qualifying a lead or triaging a ticket. Agentic AI is the bigger picture: multiple agents, tools, and data sources working together, handing tasks off to each other to do something no single agent could pull off alone. Here's the difference laid out side by side. Traditional automation follows a fixed script and needs a human at every step. A chatbot understands language but still can't act on its own. An AI agent is the only one of the three that makes decisions between steps, uses tools on its own, and only needs a human at the checkpoints you define. This isn't a gradual shift. Gartner expects roughly 40% of enterprise applications to ship with task-specific AI agents by the end of 2026, up from under 5% just a year earlier. That's the fastest jump in enterprise software adoption since the move to cloud computing. Three things converged to make it happen. Tool calling got reliable, building agents stopped requiring a specialized team, and the cost of settling for good enough automation went up, not down. Forget the sci-fi framing. Here's what this actually looks like inside a company that isn't a tech giant. In sales, an agent builds a personalized demo path instead of running the same static deck for everyone. In support, it reads the ticket, checks order history, and either resolves it or routes it with full context. In finance, it reconciles invoices and flags anomalies. And in onboarding, it handles the paperwork and access provisioning nobody wants to do by hand. We've seen the same three mistakes repeat. First, trying to automate a process nobody's actually fully mapped out. If your team can't describe it step by step, neither can an agent. Second, going for full autonomy on day one instead of building trust with checkpoints. And third, treating agentic AI like a plugin you buy off a shelf when it's really an architecture decision. Before you greenlight a project, ask yourself three honest questions. Does your team repeat this task often enough that the pattern is obvious? Do you have reasonably clean access to the data it depends on? And can you tolerate the agent being wrong occasionally while you tune it? If all three are a yes, you're ready to start. If any one is a hard no, fix that first. Agentic AI amplifies whatever process you feed it, good or bad. This is exactly the kind of work we do at Agami Technologies. We're not an AI lab chasing research papers. We're a SaaS company that builds practical, revenue-tied software for founders. And increasingly, that means AI-powered automation built directly into the product, not stapled on as an afterthought. If you're sitting on a process that's begging to be handed off to an agent, support triage, lead qualification, demo personalization, internal ops, let's have a straightforward conversation about whether it's actually worth building. Schedule a free consultation, and we'll tell you honestly whether an AI agent is the right next step for where your business is today. A few quick answers to the questions we hear most. No, agentic AI isn't the same as ChatGPT. It works toward a goal across multiple steps, not just replying to you. Cost depends entirely on scope, so start narrow and prove ROI before expanding. And yes, agents can be safe with customer data as long as they're built with proper access controls and human check.